Alright, so just got home, and as you can see, missed severe thunderstorm watch number 444. Oh, this didn't go. That sucks.
Humidity of 50.
Yep. I was out at lunch, so I'm not too stressed about it, but that is SVA 444. In effect until 8 o'clock. It includes all of Connecticut, all of Rhode Island, I think a couple counties in New York, and Berkshire, Franklin, Hampton, Hampshire, Worcester counties in Massachusetts. So I'm not under it. But it included Franklin and Worcester, so WNG 5751, and not just WXL93. As you can see, this will say Franklin and Worcester, and that's it. KG by X. Let's see, all these guys got it. Perfect. So yeah, I gotta head off to work at 5 o'clock. But the good news is that my place of work is okay with me having a radio and recording alerts, and actually they'll probably be asking me to have a radio, because they've done that before. So hopefully, assuming I'm not busy, I'll be able to even record a couple of alerts at work. And we'll see what day number 2 of what may be a severe weather blitz kind of has to offer.
In the following counties in Massachusetts: Franklin, Hampton, Hampshire, and Worcester, and Providence. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Tallinn County in northern Connecticut, southeastern Hartford County in northern Connecticut, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Hartford, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hartford, West Hartford, Manchester, East Hartford, Glastonbury, Newington, Vernon, Windsor, Wethersfield, South Windsor, Bloomfield, Rocky Hill, Ellington, Tallinn, Coventry, East Windsor, Hebron, Marlborough, Bolton, and Andover. The National Weather Service in Boston.
Hi, Taunton, please just include call to action and source in your warnings. That would be great.
Beverly, sunny, and 76. The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, northeastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, until 9:15 p.m. At 4:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Northfield, or 9 miles northwest of Orange, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Locations impacted to include radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Orange, Athol, Winchendon, Templeton, Ashburnham, Northfield, Burnapston, Irving, Phillipston, Jill, Wilson, Petersham, New Salem, Wendell, and Warwick. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in Massachusetts: Franklin and Worcester. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WNG 575, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.525 megahertz from Tacoma, Nadauk, and Peterborough, New Hampshire. The following is thunderstorm warning for Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, southeastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, central Hamden County, 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm. At 4:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Chester, Oregon, 12 miles northwest of Westfield, moving at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 16 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs. Sightings West Springfield, Ludlow, South Hadley, East Hampton, Belchertown, Wilbraham, Palmer, Ware, Munson, Granby, Southampton, Hadley, Hatfield, and Williamsburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following county: Franklin, Massachusetts. To 4 p.m. weather observations across New England. At 4 cloudy southern entry. Location.
We found this
Suffield, Longmeadow, Ellington, Wilbraham, Summers, South Creek, Monmouth, Chapman, Russell, Granville, and Montgomery.
This is Kathy in the middle of the night.
Have fallen. Additional rain.
Have a good night. Thank you, you as well. Hey, please, Gabby. Good.
Highways, streets, and underground, as well as other core drainage and shoreline areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Wyndham, Plainfield, Brooklyn, Amherst, Sterling, Chaplin, Hampton, and Skyland. Storm warning for northern Wyndham County in northern Connecticut, northeastern Tolland County in northern Connecticut, south central Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southeastern Hampton County in western Massachusetts, northwestern Providence County. 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Union, or 12 miles north of Mansfield, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Include 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-sized
Do it. We'll let anyone else have it here. Yeah.
Locations impacted include Webster, Southbridge, Auburn, Burrillville, Oxford, Charlton, Stafford, include South.
Nope.
Oh my god, I'm pressing.
You're fine. Ah, give me the station.
Ashford,
There we go.
Frick, Brimfield, Holland, and Wales. For your protection, move to torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following county: Worcester, Massachusetts.
Yeah.
Severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wyndham County in northern Connecticut, Washington County in Rhode Island, southern Kent County in Rhode Island, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bullocktown to Hopkinton to 7 miles east of Fisher's Island, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-sized hail.
I'm sure you guys
Expect
might
damage
just
to
a second.
roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Warwick, Coventry, South Kingstown, West Warwick, North Kingstown, Plainfield, Westerly, Narragansett, East Greenwich, Hopkinton, Charlestown, Richmond, Exeter, West Greenwich, and Sterling.
Alright.
Now for the